Welcome. In front of me I have something. Not sure what that is, to be honest. With a brand of Teclast and writing that I can't read. And this appears to be a tablet based on this little marking right here. So it says Tablet PC T60. And now it also comes with apparently 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, T616 EEA. I'm assuming that is the processor and could be Tegra 616, if that is even the case. But anyway, let's just get straight into it and have a look at this. Okay, the back has some Xiaomi vibes here with the camera itself, so it's a bit weird. Anyway, let's just boot it up. I wonder if this is even running Windows. It says PC, but it's running Android. Fantastic. I love conflicting messages right here. We also have a charger, which I probably wouldn't want to use, but surprisingly enough, it comes with USB Type-C. And in terms of power, it is actually 20 watts power, so that's not bad. Next, under this, we have charging cable, Type-C to Type-C, warranty card, instrukcja obsługi. Okay, so that's in Polish, interesting, and user manual under that. It's a little baggy to absorb moisture. Yoink that to the side. So there we go, there's the tablet itself with a pre-applied screen protector. You can peel that off, just be careful, as usually the actual screen protector under that comes off a little bit along with the protective layer right here. Now we have speakers on the sides right here, so that's top, then bottom we have two more speaker, Type-C charging port along with a tray. So grabbing my little tool. We have SIM and SD card support, so that's pretty good. The tablet itself looks like it's, what is it, 12-inch tablet, I think? No, maybe a little bit smaller. I would search for this, but I can almost be certain that I'm gonna find absolutely nothing. But let's give it a try. Okay, we have some official website, let's go. Okay, so yeah, this was a max 12-inch display, as they're basically naming that. So, okay, processor-wise, Unisec T628 core, GPU ARM Mali G57, to 550 megahertz. Then we got 8 GB of RAM, though they have, again, the bullshit idea of adding 12 gigs of storage as expansion. No, it's not. 256 GB of storage, so that was known. And apparently, doubtfully, I think, actually this is pretty sharp. So apparently this device comes with a 1200 by 2000 pixel display, IPS, 11.97 inches to be more precise, instead of the 12 that it's advertised. Android 14 operating system, again pretty surprising. Camera wise, we have front 5 megapixel, rear 13 megapixel with a flash. That's basically all it says, nothing else. 8000 mAh battery, okay, pretty decent as well. Type-C charging port, built-in quad box speaker, literally reading what's on the website. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz plus 5 gigahertz, 802.11 ABGN AC, Bluetooth 5.0, dual nano SIM and micro SD card, though one of those nano SIMs is sharing a spot with SD card, so you can only use like either SIM and SD or 2 SIM. Sensors, GPS, GLONASS, BDS and Galileo, some gravity sensor, okay, gyroscope, a light sensor, distance sensor. What the hell is a distance sensor? Whatever. Hall sensor, and yeah, that's about it. So that's the entire spec look of their website. So anyway, that basically sums it up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.